So before I get started, I wanted to tell y'all thank you so much for the likes and comments and subs. I'm so excited, and I'm going to make lots more content for y'all, and I'm just so glad that you're here and that you're enjoying the content that I'm making for you. So I'm definitely going to keep it coming. But I wanted to tell y'all, I draw coloring books, and I'm published on Amazon, and here's just a couple of them. Hot Gothic Girls, cute stuff, kitties. I also have American Sign Language, alphabet, and I have zombie unicorns, alien baby shower, and then a motivational quotes one that I'm working on right now. All the other ones are published though. Check me out on Amazon. You can email me for the information because my coloring books are super cheap. There's none that are more than $10. So yeah, definitely check those out. I think you'll like them. heartbeat. I'm not going to tie this because I don't want to waste this balloon. I'm going to show you how I had that in place. I had this stretchy belt just tied around my chest or whatever, my rib cage and everything, and then I had my headphones, and then I had my little device I made out of clay, and it's just, you know, polymer clay fitted perfectly to be snug against my chest, right over my sternum, and I just kept that over the microphone of the headphones, and voila, stethoscope. So anyway, thank y'all for the views and the comments and the likes. I'm so excited about all that, and the subscriptions, yay. I'm so excited to have subs now.